pin the hips. I'm gonna go to my combat base. Right from here, we're gonna go double under. Right. One thing about I like to gable grip, cross his hip, suck his hip in. Right from here, my knee's gonna go back to the mat. We're gonna use the top of my thighs like a wedge. I'm gonna pull his hips up. All right. So now it's gonna be hard for him to get away from me. My right hand, we're just gonna do our stack pass. Thumb in grip. We're gonna tripod up for the bread cutter. If you didn't like it, come back down. Come back for another bread cutter. Right, that's one. Another thing we can do, we take his back. Right? This, we got a lot we can add on to it, right? So pin his hips, open it up, double unders, load his hips up, and get him up. Right? So a lot of times guys are ready to kick, or you can take him over. From here, I'm gonna keep his hips tight. There's a pocket right here, if you can see on my same side I am. I'm gonna drive my knee in. Right? I like to hook the leg, go across. My advanced guys, you can start looking to do the chair, or you start taking his back.
Yep, good. Get guard. Run, posture up.
We're getting to adding all that other stuff in there. Let's get on the back end.
Back, keep going. Back. Yep, go.
Hips, combat base, double underhooks, load them up, right, take them over, and drive my right knee in, hook, get my seatbelt grip.
You all done?
All right, any questions, guys? All right, 1, 2. So I'm up on my toes, block his hips, and my combat base, all right? So once I get my underhooks, I'm going for my underhooks, my right knee's gonna go back down to the mat, so that way I can use it as a ramp to load him up, all right? From here, I'm gonna take him over, he goes to his knees, all right? Same thing, I'm gonna shoot my right knee in, all right? So from here, I can use this as a hook, pull this leg in, get my lockdown, all right? Get my lockdown, and grab his thigh, and chair. And then I reach up. Be careful, don't reach with your right hand because you can armbar me. Yep. Yep. Push and pull, and vaporizer. All right?
Yeah, I remember you got me with that one time.
Hey, watch this.
Yeah.
All right. So up on my toes, blocking the hips, combat base, going for my underhooks. All right, making a ramp with my legs, pulling them up. Taking him over, sitting through, getting my lockdown, all right? Going for his thigh, chair, vaporizer, and then we're gonna look to twister too. So I'm gonna reach across his arm, sit through, easy on your partner, and pull. That's the twister. Feel like a yellow boat again. One more time. As I wanted to do, one more time. Lock the hips, combat base. Underhooks. When you guys gable grip, think about your forearm being going along his belt line on his hip, right? And load him up, take him over, sit through, chair, vaporizer, twister, all right?
Now, if you had his lapels, can you do a lapel pull? Deal like what you were doing, Vic? It could go into all that stuff, or do you want to keep, if you have his lapels underneath, you pull them up underneath his butt with those lapels.
So, go back down, please. So,
if his lapels are loose,
yeah, for a long time, that's how I would go for it. I'd go for here, go for his lapels and stuff, right? But then his legs are free. Like he can start throwing his leg over, go to turtle.
Oh.
Turtle, yep. Now he's gonna, but I can still.
you can still hold
This
on.
is called a horse range grip.
Okay.
Right, and I can still shoot this in and take his back and everything, right?
Okay.
But I like being in more control.
Okay.
I like.
So not really no lapel
Yep.
deal. Period.
That's gonna be the next thing after you guys get this part done. Is going here. I go here. All right. I load him up and I take him all the way over.
Yeah.
All right. Back step. And a couple other ways to take it back, but.
Okay. I didn't know if all that stuff it was all in the same sequence of things. I mean, I guess anything can happen, right? When you're rolling.
I want to make it happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense? All right, 1, 2.